Okay guys, I didn't say anything on my channel, but I plan on changing up a little bit. I do have 2 channels. I'm not sure which channel I'm going to put this up on, but this is an unboxing. I decided to start a new hobby, which is 3D printing. I ordered myself a 3D printer and some tools to go with it. I have a desk coming and a couple other things, but I do want to get the big box open first. So let us begin. Oh, stop. Oh, let us begin. All right. 1, 2. All right. I checked the box for dings, and it had 1 or 2, but nothing that looked major. All right, here we go. Let's see how it's packed up. Not big. A lot of people. Well, I wonder how many trees they killed to pack this up. All right. So we got a box within a box.
What's in the box?
All right. This is a Voxelab. Yeah, this is a Voxelab, as you can see. And let's get this puppy open. I'm assuming this is the top here. To the knife. Alright, here we go. We got paperwork. Nope, just...
Is it a puppy?
Okay. There she be.
That's not a puppy.
And this is going to take some assembly, and I will assemble it, but this is just an unboxing right now. I do not want to mess anything up, so I have to send it back right away. Please don't drop it. Okay, I'm going to say this again. Please don't drop it. I'm telling myself that, not you. All right. This comes with a bunch of tools in it, as you can see. A lot of hardware. Me and Melissa here are she's gonna help me put this together.
No, she's not.
She did.
This is your hobby, remember?
But everything seems to be here. I don't want to drop that. That's the power. That's the screen to do the prints in. But anyway, this is my unboxing, and I got a Voxelab printer, 3D printer. I don't want to put this way. It gave me some filament, not much, but some filament. I do have filament on the way in. Let me put this over here for now. Let's see what tools I got. Which ones came in? Good Lord, it's heavy. Okay. This is more filament, I'm assuming. It looks like it. Why do they take this out this way? I don't open the knife because I think it's cool like that. I keep closing it for safety. Is this filament? Yes, this is definitely filament. You see? filament for the printer. So both these boxes are filament. And in this box, again, more boxes within boxes. Again, how many trees died to mail this thing to me? I almost cut my nuts off there. Oh, I don't think I was supposed to do that. All right, we got a box of tools with all kinds of hardware. See how the tools look in here. Lots of tools. Shit's falling out already. Really?
Graceful.
Very.